Hello again, this is Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. This is in my estimation, pretty difficult calculus problem. It's in a midterm test. That's where I got it from. And I like to answer these things when I see anything that's calculus. I try to answer it as if I'm taking the test. And so this one is a simple harmonic motion, and we're going to put index 8 in here to solve this problem. A few people have texted me or contacted me through Facebook or whatever and said, hey, I put index 8 into the entry line of the calculator, nothing happens, you know. Well, sorry, you have to buy my programs. Not sorry, you're lucky if you do, to pass physics or calculus. You'll have them for the rest of your life. Throw away your calculus book, throw away your physics book. Here it is. And so anyways, you have to buy my programs, and then you get instructions, and you load 160 of those programs into the calculator. The titanium calculator here for TI89. And you get instructions that how to put index 8 into the entry line, and once you do that, you have a menu. You press enter. Now I'm already at SHM, which is simple harmonic motion. You see it here, harm motion. I have to abbreviate everything to the best I can to make it fit into the screen of the calculator here. So we're going to highlight that one and press enter. An object operating in simple harmonic motion, SHM, given a position function of xt or st. Press enter. What's given? Well, some are given in x. They shouldn't be just x, because anytime you have a t in the function also, you need to go x of t. But I've seen some professors put just x here and put in the function, okay? So, but this is x of t. You can see it, number 2, so we're going to press number 2. You can scroll to it or press the number in front of it. And we're going to enter the function. Press enter. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines in all my programs, physics or calculus, okay? Alpha, 5 times second, the cosine of 2 times t plus second pi divided by 6, close off the parentheses, and we've entered it correctly. We can have the option to change it if you made a mistake. So I'm going to say it's okay with number 1. What else is given? Well, centimeters is given, isn't it? Sometimes they give you inches and meters to trick you. Professors in calculus and physics love to trick the students, show them how smart they are. Is time given? Yes, it is. Time is equals 0. Alpha 0. Seconds. It's correct. Say it's okay. And the general function for position functions in x of t is amplitude times cosine of angular velocity, which is omega here, plus t times t, plus phi, which is really the phase angle of the function. And so I give you what these have all in this function xt here, what they mean. Here's 5 centimeters. Well, that's amplitude. 2 is angular velocity, which is number 2 rads per second. And then phi here is pi over 6. This whole thing is pi over 6, which is for radians. Okay. W equals angular velocity, which is here, that's 2, okay, is equal to 2 pi divided by t. So we're looking for the period here. Period is 2 pi divided by omega, and turns out to be 3.1416, which is pi really. Frequency is 1 over the period, 1 over pi, 0.31831 hertz. Velocity in calculus is the first derivative of the function s of t, in this case x of t, turns out to be minus 10 times sine 2 times t plus pi over 6. At t equals 0, all this, you substitute 0 for t, do the calculations, and it comes up with minus 5 centimeters per second. That's velocity. Acceleration is the second derivative, okay, which is equal to minus 20 times cosine of 2 times t times pi over 6. When t equals 0, this equals minus 17.3 centimeters squared. At t equals 0, v x of t is the position of the pistons, equals a 5, you know, this, and then you put 0 in for t, turns out to be 4.33 centimeters. That's the exact height. Where it's from the bottom or top, I don't know where the relationship is there, but neither does professors in calculus. Is a mass given? No. But I'm going to show you here, I'm going to say that it is given. Some problems it is. So we're going to put alpha 8, for instance, and kilograms. Or let's change it to grams. 8 grams turns out to be 0.008 kilograms. And that turns out to be 0.03 Newton meters. That's what K equals. K is a constant, spring constant. So I try to cover all these bases for you in calculus. And but I'll help you in calculus or physics, you know, when you buy my programs. You can call me on the phone, or you can text me or email me, and I'll help you. You can send me your quizzes or whatever. I'll show you how to do them on your calculator, on the programs. But it's pretty self-taught type of situation, you know. I try to make it as simple as I can for myself, so it's probably as simple as it can be for you too. So good luck in your classes, and buy my programs and pass calculus or physics, okay? Have a good one.